Hello, wonderful kids. Welcome to Prime Kids World, where we explore amazing Bible stories just for you. My name is the Bible Champs for Kids, and I'm here with your happy Bible friend. Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Sparkle. Are you ready for a brand new Bible adventure? Let's go! The special 8th day. Today we are learning about a very special day, the 8th day after the priests were prepared and trained to serve God. On this day, Moses called Aaron, his sons, and all the leaders of Israel. He told Aaron, "Take a young calf and a ram without any blemish. Offer them to God, and tell the people to bring their offerings too." The people brought a goat, a lamb, a calf, and even bread mixed with oil, because God was going to appear to them. Wow! Can you imagine how excited they were? Aaron makes the offerings. Moses said, "This is what God wants you to do, so that His glory can appear." Then Moses told Aaron to come to the altar and make a purification offering and a burnt offering. This was done to say sorry to God and ask for forgiveness for everyone. So Aaron followed God's instructions. He sacrificed the calf for his own offering. He put blood on the horns of the altar and poured the rest at its base. He burned the fat and organs, just like God said. The meat and skin were taken outside the camp and burned. Next, Aaron made the burnt offering. He burned the pieces and the head on the altar, after washing the inner parts. Aaron wasn't done yet. He then brought the people's offerings. He took the goat for the people as purification and the ox and ram for the peace offering. Aaron also gave the grain offering and burned it with the morning sacrifice. Everything was done exactly the way God had commanded. The glory of the Lord appears. After all the offerings, Aaron lifted his hands and blessed the people. Then he and Moses went into the tent of meeting, and when they came out, they blessed the people again. And guess what happened next? Suddenly, fire came out from God's presence and burned up the offerings on the altar. Everyone saw it, and they shouted with joy and fell to the ground in worship. Can you imagine being there? Seeing God's glory? It must have been so powerful and amazing. What we learned today. What did we learn from today's Bible adventure? God gave the priests a special job to help the people worship Him. Obeying God exactly is very important. When we follow God's way, His glory shows up. God wants to live among His people and show them His love. Wasn't that a beautiful story? Thank you for watching today's episode of Prime Kids World. I hope you remember that God is holy and He loves when we come to Him with respect and joy. Thank you for watching our videos, and thank you for subscribing to our channel, Prime Kids World. I hope your heart stays filled with God's light and joy every day. See you next time, friends.